Hey guys, this is Simplicity, and real quick, I just want to do this. And sorry, I'm still using gameplay from the same Call of Duty Ghost game. It's just right now to do these little like voiceover things at the beginning, but I don't really have any gameplay recorded right now because I'm really busy. Like I know I said I don't really study, but the thing is, my mom is making me study like 2 hours per day and then I get like I then I can use my computer and stuff, and then also. I have like baseball and stuff, which I actually have a game today that I have to go to real quick right after this, right after I'm done commentating over this little bit. But yeah, so sorry, I know I said that I would post, but I just don't have the time right now. Definitely because this Thursday is my last day of school, so definitely I will start posting daily starting this, let's say Wednesday, and then after that I have to give back my laptop, so yeah, but I'll still be able to do this because I still have my old laptop which I can still work with. And so I will be this Wednesday. I promise, guys. I'm really sorry. I haven't been keeping the promises that I've been saying for a while. I really apologize. You guys don't understand. You probably are just thinking, man, this guy doesn't care about us, blah, 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 blah. No, I really care, and I'm really sorry for disappointing you guys this much. It makes me feel pretty awful with, like, not being able to, like, I don't know, just disappointing you guys, but I'm sorry. Let's get on to the gameplay. It's Ratchet Clank. Yeah, so I'm sorry again. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? This is Simplicity, and I am back with Ratchet and Clank. One second. I believe this is part 6. I'm 100% sure. I'm looking while I'm on my TV down. It's a little loud. Oh my goodness. Alright. Oh, never mind. It was on 2. Alright, so I'll load this game up real quick. I don't know why I'm singing this. Alright, so I forgot where we left off. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're on Eudora. That's not what we were looking for though. Oh, wasn't I about to go to a different planet, I think? I don't remember. I think I was actually. Well then. Oh, I almost fell off there, I think. Alright, so. My laptop is already roaring and it just started. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what we have here to do. Alright, the missions for there are done.
Hello, citizens of.
Bring prize to agent. I have to do that. That's done. Didn't I just unlock this? I think I did. Let's see what this is. That one's done. Yeah, let's go this one. I just unlocked it, I guess. Just remembered, I guess. I keep saying I guess. Wow. Alright, so it's Memorial Weekend! Yeah! If I hadn't moved, I would be going camping with 3 of my friends. It would have been so much fun. But instead, I get to sit here at home and do nothing because I'm still grounded. The only reason I can play right now is because my mom's at home. So yeah, there's that. What's this?
I got some free bargains for you today.
Fuck? Why would I want to buy a taunter? This way then. See what there's over here. attack it? Holy shit. I didn't see that coming. Okay, so there's a lot of these pesky things that I'm almost dead from. Oh, and I died. Sweet. And then he kept chopping me up after I was already dead. Taunting me. Taunting. Alright, so let's try this again. Alright, so we're fine here. Let's break this one too, since it gives money. And boom. Yeah, deal with it. Why did it throw backwards? There we go, this is working out a lot better. Now these last few I can just hit with my wrench. There's a light here. Alright, that's fine. Alright, let's hit this light if we can. Oh, I guess we can't. Yep, alright. Oh shit, this guy's a bad guy.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try
No,
a
I don't need
Gadgetron
help.
Taunter. Available at any
This shit on
Gadgetron
my
store.
dreams. Why would I need help? If anyone needs help, it's them. Like, for real, they suck. Then again, they are AI and they're kind of meant to suck. Oh shit, these guys again. Yeah, there weren't as many that time, so it was a lot easier. What's over here? Oh, I almost saw. No. Oh my god. You're kidding, right? You are joking. Now I have to start over. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna run through them. That worked out better than I expected. Forgot about these guys. Let's run through these guys too. Can I turn around? Alright. Let's not fuck up this time. Alright. I'm just gonna wait till this thing runs out and then hop up. Same for these. 3. Alright, so they expected me to lose like 3 lives here. Too good for them. Alright, so now where do I go? Oh. I gotta go back down there. Alright, now. For this one. I don't care. There's lives up there. Really, I could have just jumped down from that side. No, why would you? That makes me not happy. Alright, let's just go this way for this time. For the time being.
This shuttle has an autopilot which will take you to a decommissioned Larv warship.
Let's board this warship. See what we can't do here. Oh my gosh, it's already been 7 minutes. Ooh, time flies when you're having fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm sorry I'm not making this very entertaining, like I'm not really talking. Okay, yep, because in real life ships would just be able to turn around like that. Yep. Am I supposed to... What? Oh. Oh. Hi. How you doing? Okay. You want to attack me. You're dead. You made the wrong decision in trying to attack me. I just shit on his dreams. He's not good, that's for damn sure. So which way do we go? This way? Oh, no, that way doesn't look very... Oh, they both have that. Oh, wow. I'm liking the suck cannon for when there's a bunch of little enemies like this. A bunch of pesky little rats. Oh, shit. Except they're not rats, they're toads. Or frogs or some shit, I really don't know. I don't like them. They clearly do not like me. Boom. Boom. Let's see, can I suck these guys up? No, I cannot. Fuck, dude. That fire thing goes forever. Yeah, that's a... What? He didn't die and he still hurt me. Sweet. Alright, so let's go back and see if I can't find some health packs. Because I am hurting. I'm hurting bad. No. What was that? Bolt then? Yeah, and then that just... No, I guess we're just gonna have to keep going with 1 health. Oh, never mind. I wonder how many of you guys actually saw that and were like yelling at me, saying, "You're retarded." Let's use this for once. Woo! Nice, nice. What? No way they killed me. No way they didn't die from these guys. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Now we use this bad boy down here. And we suck these guys up. Oh, there's more of you down there? Oh, you're having some trouble, it looks like. I helped you with that, though, so it's good. Alright, good day to you guys. I just shot a toad at, or a frog at you. How do you feel? That guy apparently was fine with having a frog shot at him. Alright. Let's use these guys again. Alright. That leaves one for me. Or not. Never mind. That leaves none for me. I'm fine with that. To tell the truth. To tell the truth, I don't listen to you. Because I don't like being lied to. Oh no, I'm sorry. So where do we go now? I guess that is a great question. Do I press this button? Press big red shiny button. Alright. Oh shit, I gotta get out of here.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature.
Oh yay, more of those snake
Annihilation
things.
sequence initiated. Please remove
Oh,
all
they're all
personal
over the place.
belongings.
That sounds good. And I have time. I'm timed. Let's use this guy. Alright.
Perhaps
So
you
now,
didn't hear
we'll
me.
hurry on down.
This vessel will self-destruct
Down 20 seconds.
in a matter of
Down.
Please evacuate.
Oh, okay, let's go. Did it crash? No. Okay, this thing can maneuver itself. Wow. Whew, just in time. Okay, I only have 141 bullets of this thing left. Oh, and this thing's over here now. Thought it was on the special report.
This is
Blah, blah,
Scarlet
blah.
Branch reporting live from Blackwater City.
Blackwater City, I don't care. Alright, so now I can go to Planet Ringar.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Alright, just buy all ammo.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Alright. And that's fine. I'm not buying that. That's just a complete waste of money. I don't think that even does anything, to be quite honest. Alright, see if I can remember how to do this. Oh, so this thing's got 2 of them, so we might as well place them so like that. And then this one's got 2 of them. And then there we go. Easy as that. Let's have this thing ready just in case. Oh, okay. Good luck, Clank. Hi, Ratchet! Oh, that's interesting. Alright, let's go this way, I guess. I halfway remember playing this. It's been a long time. And to be, I didn't play this one as much as I played Up Your Arsenal. Ratchet Clank Up Your Arsenal was the one I basically played. It's the 3rd one of this, and boy, that one was fun.
Jump, then press and hold the X button
Yeah, sure.
again while in the air to glide.
Animated. So yeah, the reason I think the reason that I remember playing that the most and that it was fun was because basically my friend introduced me to like the whole Ratchet and Clank series, and I loved it from the start. It was basically my first like video game I'd ever played. It was so fun. I got an itch on my back. We're at 15 minutes, we're fine. Boom. Pow. Die. Let's go. Easy. Easy XP. Alright, so now we're... Oh, wow. I like how this has, like, so many different ways you can go. And I'm just skipping bolts left and right. Alright. Yeah, I can't go on that. Alright, so let's go to the right and see what's over here. This seems like it's the same thing as what the other side has. Yeah, this probably both leads you different ways, I guess. Never mind. Alright, so let's see what we can't find over here. Oh, I'm really bad at this area, this type of stuff, because, I don't know, I can't really judge it well, and I feel like I'm going to fall off. And yeah, as you can see, I did almost fall off like 10 times. Alright, so nothing up here, nothing over here. Let's go over here then. Oh, that's a decently long Clank mission. Oh, okay. Clank missions usually aren't this long that I can remember. Oh, I love these little guys.
You have just
Yeah, shut up. Alright, so basically what I have to do is I have to tell him to attack that thing. Boom. Easy. Easy. Oh, yeah. XP. And now I tell him to... I'm actually going to tell him to wait. I saw something over here. Yeah. Alright. And then... I'll get this too. So this looks like it will be the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Simplicity. Hope you enjoyed. And I'm out. Peace. No, not peace. Alright guys, and we're back. Sorry about that, but my parents got home and since I was grounded I couldn't really play. Oh, I didn't follow it. I couldn't play, so I had to stop, and then I just got, and then this is a different day. This is why I didn't upload it the day I said I was going to, because this is not the same day. I wanted to finish playing it because I didn't feel like it was a good spot to stop. So I just wanted to keep playing it, and so I'm just gonna bring you more. Just gonna continue and do more content for this episode, and then yeah. So this is just like a different day. This is actually
Adaptive
Sunday,
hydro displacer
and last time I played it was
uses
Friday.
Insta-faucets and Insta-drains.
So
Using it,
yeah,
you
there's
can
that.
drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect any on this space
Oh, that's
station.
sweet. I remember that thing. Okay, yeah. So now that I am back, I can finish this this level. And since I had turned it off, it didn't save any of my progress, so I had to start over, which was pretty neat. So I basically had to run through here. I didn't even get any like bolts. Oh, man. Yeah, Clank can't hold on to save his life. It's not gonna make it. Gotta go to here. I want to go up there because I saw a golden bolt up there. How do I get these? No. Huh. Oh, I think I know how. Maybe it's the other way over here. But I went the wrong way, so I'm gonna have to take a shortcut type thing. Alright, so let's go this way and see what's over here. Nothing. Sweet. I want that golden bolt really bad though. Okay, so I guess this is the end of this world. I was basically done and I didn't even know it. That's always good. Not. I want to try one more thing to get that golden bolt though. But I think I see a way how. I'm gonna try to go up this way. And then maybe? No. Walking on these things is so hard. Clank can't hold on to save his life. I was right here one time and I just fell. Clank didn't even attempt to hold on. Oh, see, like right there, that could have been bad. Oh, hi, Golden Bolt. You're over there mocking me that I can't get to you. Alright, so... Oh! Wait a second. There's something up here, folks. Oh wait, there's nothing up here. Fuck. That's retarded. Why would they have that and have nothing up there? That juices my gems. That juices them very well. Okay. So I guess it's time to go back to Clank. Are you joking? Do I have to start over? That makes me really mad. Like, you guys don't even know. But if I have to start over, I will flip out. I can't really tell if I have to start over until I see over here. Yeah, I can't tell if I have to start over, so I have to run the whole course again. So I guess I'll just fast forward this so you guys don't have to deal with it. Fuck. How the hell do you do that, Clank? You're awful. I was just getting done saying how you can't hold on to save your life. Wow, I came all this way all over again just for nothing. Wow, that juices my gems even more. Yeah, I fell through this apparently. I have no idea how. Alright, let's see. Be very careful here because we're home. I don't want to fuck this up. What is he doing? That was the most fucked up thing I've seen all day. Oh my god, that's weird.
So you are. And I found this. Hey.
Yeah, we get it. Where is it? Here it is, hydro displacer. Wasn't there some place with water over here? I'm pretty sure there was. I don't remember though, it's been like a day. 2 days actually. Oh, so you're just not gonna get sucked up, I see. You're just a regular frog, right? Why they're not getting sucked up, I will never know. Okay, so it looks like I have 3 shots left. So let's move up here. Yeah. That's how it's done, folks. And there's gonna be more up here, I'm sure. Yep. Easy as pie. Dude, this suck can is really, it's pretty good actually. Yeah, so apparently it's like I've never been here. It's as if I was never here since I had to start over, you know? I don't know if this whole world isn't explode, but I'm hoping it is. Even though it seems like it hasn't been, only that little bit. I'm joking. Alright, it's fine, there's this here. Alright, let's use this again, because apparently I've never been here. So looks like it would go there. Alright. It would go there. This one's a little bit more confusing. Alright, so that one goes there. And then, I don't know, let's just say right here. And then, well, fuck. So that one has one pointing that way, and one pointing down. Sorry, that looks like it's fine. Now this one. It's just... Wow, this... I don't understand. Like, that's fine, or whatever. And then... that. And I just gotta figure out what to do with this thing. There we go. Right? Nope, the bottom one. Fuck. There we go. Holy... What? That's cheating! Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, fuck you. Dude, there's a bunch of coins. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Not coins, bolts. Okay. Oh, well that was a failure. There we go. Take this thing too. I think I broke everything in here that I can. Alright, and we're good. That one was just floating down. It's kind of weird. Yeah, we seem to be done here. I think. Oh, let me check one more. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Yeah, I see those things up. Oh, they're already released. Oh, this is where I came from. Okay. So I think everything's explored then. Well, at least on this side. And on the outside. So what's left? Yeah, we'll see when we get back to the ship, I guess. Oh, I guess that hurts me. Hey, thanks guys for watching. This is going to be the first part of this like little thing. I had to cut this in two because it was too long and it didn't really. I didn't want you guys sitting through 50 minutes for one video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, a comment, favorite, subscribe if you're new. Please, that would really help out. Trying to get to 50 subs, and I don't know. I'll do something special for 50 subs. Yeah, so this is a first part. Second part will be coming soon. Sorry, I don't really have a date, but thank you guys so much for watching. This is Simplicity, and I'm out.